Okay, it's in my garage as I am right now, and I mentioned out loud, oh, I wish I could test these USB cables, because I have loads of them that probably need to be thrown away. They were quite cheap at the time. You know, when you buy them and then you regret it afterwards. So I came across some DIY project online. I looked at it, and the component cost alone was more than buying this. And what does it come with? It comes with an instruction manual. Sorry, it comes with some little standoffs. I don't know if there's any boards in it or what, but let's open this up and see what's in it. Hang on. Wow, that's hard work. Can I get it out? They make it difficult. Oh, maybe it's these bits of card here. Why would that do that? There's a little battery in it, so you pull that out. Now, ironically, I found a load of 2032s in my garage. Not long... Oh my god, that's odd. Not long after I started... I bought 10 wrong ones. I needed some CX5 batteries. Let's test this thing out. It's one I don't know about. So, what have we got? We've got that input there, which is almost impossible to find. Is it that one? Yes, it is. And then this input here, that's a bit bigger. I don't know why, but that's... Let's put that in, see what happens. Uh-oh, it's going to be tricky. Like that. This is why I don't like USB. Okay, anything happen? Nothing happens. I have to test my tester. Hang on a minute, let me pause this and have a look. Okay, I had to read the manual. There's a little power switch here. I couldn't see that. I don't know what this means. It says that this cable is touching that cable. It says that there's a ground. There's a D plus, a D minus, a VS bus, and a shield. I know this cable works, so that's okay. Let's take that out. It's these older, crappier cables that, you know, you collect from places. You don't know if they work. Yeah, let's plug that in there. Let's plug that in, same one. And again, it's really for old eyes. It's difficult to work out which one. Okay. I seem to remember that's not the same as the other one. I got a V bus on the other one, didn't I? Oh, look, that's dodgy there. Look. Let me just take that out again. You can remember this. When I watch it back, I think, how could I not remember that? Yeah, it's old age and stupidity. On my case, that is. That way round. Plug that in. Yeah, look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. So I've got ground, D plus, D minus, V bus, and whatever the hell that is, right? Shield. So I've got 5 lights. Let's unplug that again. This is a good cable. Came from the Sidecar project, which is very good if you have an Atari ST. There's one just here by my hand. Check that out. Yeah, we've got less lights. 1, 2, 3. So this is going in the bin. Yeah, I managed to throw something away in my garage, yeah. I don't even think it's worth keeping the wire. So thank you for watching, and bye-bye. Oh yeah, don't forget the little on-off button, which I will now switch off, yeah. Bye-bye.